Hello! This is the second part of the video for making a mess, trying to restore this old donkey saw. I've already unloosened the 2 bolts that hold this thing on, so we shall see. Take the well cap off. It's looking amazingly full of crap already. Just look at the state of that. Can't wait to dig into that, see what horrific mess awaits me under there. That's going to be a joy of all joys. Right, I suppose I best get a bucket and try and drain that mess out. If it'll come out, it looks a bit like bloody yoghurt.